County in southeastern Nebraska, central Butler County, southwestern Saunders County until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brainerd, or 9 miles southeast of David City, moving at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near, west of around 4:35 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, and Saunders. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska.
You got a little sneak peek of my new White Whale collection. Yep. Hold on a second. Yeah, this is the new location. Sorry, I just have a time. Oh, the date. Sorry, got a sneak peek. Sorry. I can't put any White Whales in service right now. Anyways, that's it.